Hi, boys and girls. Mrs. Cogdill here, and I am going to read aloud the 6th grade disease prevention vocabulary. The first thing that you will do is you will fill out your first name right here, and then you'll scroll down and you will fill out your last name right here. Once you're completed with your first and last name, you will come down and you will circle whichever health teacher you have, Miss Booth, Miss Cogdill, Miss Cronbaugh, Miss Wiesner. Then you will come down to the health class and click on the appropriate period that you have and the class that you have for 6th grade health. After section 1, you will continue to section 2, vocabulary. Please read each definition and select the correct term. The first definition: able to be passed on by direct or indirect contact between individuals. Pathogen. 2, vaccine. 3, contagious. 4, immunity. Next definition: living organism or particles that cause disease. 1, pathogen or germ. Number 2, vaccine. Number 3, contagious. Number 4, white blood cells. Next definition: resistance to a particular disease. Number 1, communicable disease. Number 2, immune system. Number 3, immunity. Number 4, white blood cells. Next definition: part of the immune system that marks pathogens for destruction. Number 1, pathogen, germ. Number 2, vaccine. Number 3, white blood cells. Or number 4, antibodies. Next definition: a type of pathogen that consists of one-celled organisms that lived almost everywhere on Earth, can be helpful or harmful. 1, bacteria. 2, virus. 3, white blood cells. 4, antibodies. Next definition: a disease caused by pathogens that can be spread from person to person. Number 1, pathogen or germ. 2, vaccine. 3, communicable disease. 4, immunity. Next definition: system of body organs, tissues, and cells that destroy pathogens. Bacteria. 2, virus. 3, immune system. 4, immunity. Next definition: dead or weakened pathogens given for immunity. 1, pathogen, germ. 2, vaccine. 3, immunity. 4, white blood cells. Next definition: blood cells that fight pathogens that cause infection and illness. 1, pathogen or germ. 2, bacteria. 3, white blood cells. 4, antibodies. Next definition. A type of pathogen that reproduces inside living cells, causes colds, flu, and hepatitis. 1. Pathogen or germ. 2. Virus. 3. White blood cells. 4. Antibodies. Next definition. Which white blood cell activates killer T cells and B cells? 1. Helper T cells. 2. Killer T cells. 3. B cells. 4. Macrophage. Next definition. Which white blood cell destroys infected cells? 1. Helper T cells. 2. Killer T cells. 3. B cells. 4. Macrophage. Next definition. Which white blood cell produces antibodies? 1. Helper T cells. 2. Killer T cells. 3. B cells. 4. Macrophage. Next definition. Which white blood cell eats foreign invaders? 1. Helper T cells. 2. Killer T cells. 3. B cells. 4. Macrophage. Last definition. One of the best ways to limit the spread of disease is 1. Drink water. 2. Wash my hands with water. 3. Wash my hands with soap and water. 4. Wash my hands with soap and water for 20 seconds. That is the end of vocabulary. Hit submit. Thank you.